Hello and welcome. We explore and compare the top AI web scraping tools of 2025, their features, and how to choose the best one for your data needs. Today we will evaluate from three aspects. 1. What is an AI web crawler? 2. Considerations for choosing an AI crawler. 3. Three major AI crawling solutions. What are AI web scraping tools? AI web scraping tools use artificial intelligence to automate the process of extracting data from websites. It can be a cloud solution that provides an AI-driven search API, a Python or JavaScript search library, or a collection of functions to achieve this goal. The advantage of AI-driven scrapers over traditional scrapers is that these tools can adapt to layout changes without having to update the code. This means less maintenance and increased efficiency. However, they can be slower and may occasionally produce hallucinated data due to the AI processing. Generally speaking, AI web scraping tools include the following features: natural language processing for intelligent data targeting, integration with AI models to facilitate content understanding pre-built connectors for commonly used websites. For AI web scraping tools to be effective, they must also support proxy processing to avoid IP bans and bypass anti-bots to prevent scraping from being blocked. Ultimately, the purpose of these tools is to make web data collection faster, smarter, and more accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Crawl4AI is an open-source, AI-powered web crawler and scraper for real-time data extraction. This Python library is optimized for AI search agents and provides fast crawling, structured data extraction, and advanced browser integration. Compared to other AI web search tools in the list, Crawl4AI is designed for performance. In particular, it leverages heuristics and advanced data processing techniques to accelerate LLM-based data extraction. This makes the entire process faster and more efficient. With a long list of features, Crawl4AI has gained a lot of popularity and has been ranked #1 on GitHub many times. LunaProxy is an AI-powered web scraping tool that transforms any website into clean, structured data. It is ideal for building AI agents and analytical workflows by autonomously extracting data through natural language prompts. LunaProxy is available as a residential proxy IP library and high-level API combined with Python and JavaScript official clients. It supports a variety of search pipelines customized for different use cases. In this article, you learned about AI search tools and the key factors to consider when choosing one. Based on these criteria, we have compiled a list of the best tools currently available for scraping using LLM models. As a leading provider, LunaProxy offers a variety of cutting-edge AI services such as autonomous AI agents, search, access, and interact with any website in real time using a powerful set of APIs. Vertical AI applications build reliable custom data pipelines to extract web data from industry-specific sources. Base models access qualified web-scale datasets for pre-training, evaluation, and fine-tuning. Multimodal AI leverage the world's largest repository of images, videos, and audio optimized for AI. Data providers connect with trusted providers to get high-quality, AI-ready datasets at scale. Datasets get curated, ready-to-use datasets, structured, enriched, and annotated. For more information, visit our AI Hub. We're here to make your vision a reality, delivering results that stand the test of time.